White Camry occupied 3 or 4 times. The rental car?
Yeah.
Alright, you got a rental agreement on you?
4246, vehicle's taken off, southbound towards past them, 87 miles an hour passing Newark. Suspect probably at Frederick.
You're gonna get dog bit! You're gonna get dog bit! Get out loud! Get the f loud!
An 11 miles per hour's overage, a parolee, a rental car with expired papers, 3 facts that collided at 1 a.m. and required 3 separate felony statutes to resolve.
Added at 36 and 25.
11 over.
White Camry occupied 3 or 4 times. Hello.
Good, how you doing?
Deputy Clip of the Sheriff's Office. Reason for contact, nice speed, 36 and 25. You got your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Alright. The rental car?
Yeah.
Alright, you got a rental agreement on you? There we go. Where we coming from tonight? Madison? Yeah. Looks like you're past your return date on your thing. It says Monday, February 12th.
No, this might not be.
Yeah. Is that the old one? Because it picked it up on the 9th and returned it on the 12th?
Yeah, there's a new piece of paper. I don't know.
You can, you probably can't call them right now.
No, they're usually closed. Yeah. What's your new return date?
It was because I had an insurance claim.
Gotcha.
So they're keeping it until my car was fixed.
Gotcha. You said you're calling from Madison. Where are you headed to?
Beloit.
Beloit?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so agreement expired at 10:30 p.m. last night. Can't find the new one. Claims are coming from Madison. It's where the rental is out of anyway.
Did they all ID themselves or no?
No.
They refuse?
No, I haven't gotten that far. Driver's on paper for a bunch of fleeing and then receiving stolen property, 5,000 over. I'm going through his DOC rules now.
That, you should have a curfew.
I'm thinking, I thought I saw one in here. He's got like 40 DOC rules.
Did he give you the rental agreement?
Yeah, it was from the 9th to the 12th.
For his name?
Yeah. Must remain inside your approved residence between the hours of 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. So yeah, he's outside of his curfew by 4 hours.
And he's a driver?
Yeah. Backseat fucking full.
Have you ID'd everyone or no?
No. No, there is 3. Hey, Kevin, can you step out for me?
Why do you step out for?
I'm just gonna talk to you at the back of the car here.
Wouldn't it just be a regular ticket or something?
No, I'm asking you to step out of the car.
Yeah, I'm asking why. What's the reason?
None of them. These guys are going to be cooperative.
Kevin, can you step out of that vehicle for me?
4246, vehicle's taken off, southbound towards Beloit. I'm going to immediately request spikes by Beloit.
Southbound towards Beloit, requesting spikes from Beloit.
402, I am in pursuit, speed 75 miles an hour, southbound towards Beloit. Roads are dry, vehicles occupied 5 times. Weather is clear. Requesting pit if we slow down enough before Beloit.
I want, with it just being us 2 and them having 5 people, I want spikes first. We are past Haveman, approaching Pinell Grove, still southbound 100 miles an hour. Still 100 miles an hour, about to pass Pinell Grove. All back to Cliff. What was the driver wearing?
Believe it's going to be a darker sweatshirt. Driver has shoulder to a little lower, thick dreads.
Copy that, 90 miles an hour, still southbound, passing Laird and Kettle.
Back right passenger is going to be a heavier set male, black, darker sweatshirt, wearing a black do-rag.
Too late, we're past them. 87 miles an hour, passing Newark. Suspect probably at Frederick, 103.
16 deployed, 16 deployed. Got a hit on him.
With 2 of the tires busted, deputies believe the chase is nearing its end, but they couldn't be more wrong.
All back, am I good for hit, slower speeds?
Stand by right now, stand by. I want another Beloit unit with us. Sorry. Where do we have other Beloit units at? With them having 5 people, I don't want to pit this vehicle in case they all bail. With just us 2. We're about to go south on 4th.
April on 6, you got a unit.
Copy, southbound on 4th at Merrill. Cliff, let's go and pit.
On westbound Merrill.
Flip rail! You're gonna get dog bit! You're gonna get dog bit! You're gonna get dog bit! Get on the ground! Get the f*** on the ground!
Rail park, one at gunpoint. Hands behind your back now! One went that way, one went towards Tilly's.
Get the ground, I got you on gunpoint. Oh, you f***ing move. What's your f***ing move?
4246, I got one at gunpoint. I'm gonna be 100% honest, I have no idea where I'm at. Yeah, I got a second male. He's cooperative. Are you driving? Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach. Can you breathe? Why are you running, bro? Why'd you guys not run?
No, I'm scared. You
guys good here, buddy?
Yeah, we're good.
We're good. All right, let's go.
We're good. 402 driver in custody.
You injured? You good, boss? All right, sit up. Put one of your knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up.
Man, you're making me run. I'm a supervisor, dog. I don't do this shit. Put your hands out back behind you. I'm not gonna with you, all right? You're good. I get you scared. I'm scared too, man. People don't run if they're not doing dumb. You know what I mean?
What's this guy?
Get out of prison. Why are you doing this to yourself, dude? That's stupid.
I think I'm gonna go, Brian.
Realistically, all you got is misdemeanor charges. All right? No weapons or guns on you? Roll on your side.
4246, just to confirm, there's 2 males and 3 females, correct?
Yeah, 10-4. Stand up for me.
You got him?
Yeah.
You guys got the driver.
I think the sergeant's alone with 3 at gunpoint.
Okay, and Beloit just said they have a male. You got a male. And Linder has 3 females.
How many males in the car? Yeah, that should be everybody. I'm walking my guy out.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, you're good, brother. Are you okay? I kind of threw you into the fence. You good?
4245.
Just a female.
Having copy that. If you put me on call up at that number.
Should have. You wouldn't have had a charge.
For real?
Yeah, now you're going to jail.
For real?
Yeah. You're the passenger, man. You can't control what his driver's doing.
Damn, man.
Yeah, you fucked up. Now you got me all out of fucking breath. You're out of breath.
I got a driver in the back with me.
Perfect.
Good job, Sarge.
It didn't take much. He's as out of shape as I am. We got to get to the gym, big dog.
Man, I didn't sign up for none of this, man.
I didn't sign up for this shit either. That's why I promoted to sit in my car and do nothing. You guys got lucky. I just took my dog in to get his teeth done. One of you guys better got bitten up.
Glad you guys stopped them. I was so scared.
It was probably terrifying, sister.
It was so
You don't got any bomb grenades, nothing, right?
No.
Okay. You're going to go with Officer Bornwood, okay?
Back this way. Back over this way.
This is the dumbest ever.
All right, you go ahead and take a seat for me.
Ouch.
Look at 7.
There's a dog in here?
There's no dog in here.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and hop in there for me. Nope, no dog in here.
I'm going to say, don't put me in nowhere with no dog, please.
What do you need? What do you...
Oxygen? Caught that guy. He's all the way up to the park. Told the driver to step out of the car over in Orfordville.
Yeah.
He's like, why? It's just a ticket. I'm like, dude, step out of the car. Looks at me.
Catch your breath, man. This is DL. Yep, Kevin.
Yeah, that's...
Okay.
He gave me his driver's license before he ran.
All right, I'm going to go run them.
We check with all back, but I don't think we're charging females or anything unless they're on paper or something.
Yep, I'll run.
I didn't count it. The back right passenger had like $500, $600, $700 on him. Yeah, big old wad. Getting in a foot chase with all back behind me threatening the dog. I'm like, we don't have a dog. We don't have a dog. Bro, he's lying.
With both Kevin and Deshaun in custody, deputies begin speaking with the 3 female passengers to understand what led to this chaotic chase. But they soon realize that the reason may have very little to do with them.
Dude, what happened tonight?
We met them at the bar, and we just was going with them.
Did any 3 of you know those dudes?
No, I've seen them before.
Okay, where have you seen them at?
Like bars and stuff like that.
Okay.
We don't even know them for real. We were kind of just hanging out. We were drinking at first. I guess.
Did they tell you where they were going? No?
We were just
Did you know, like, Beloit or, like, the general...
I knew we was going to Beloit, but I didn't know where we was going in Beloit.
Gotcha. Did they tell you what you guys were going to do, or...?
Just go pick it.
Okay. Have you ever met those guys before? No?
But he said he had to pick something up. Okay. The one that was driving.
Okay. Yep. Did he ever tell you what he had to stop and get? No? Okay.
But he had his GPS on, so he, like, knew where he was going.
Okay.
But I don't know what he was going to get. I told him he was speeding. I saw the sheriff. Was it you, the one that he went past?
No, it wasn't.
I told him, I said, you're going to get pulled over for speeding. You're going 40 and a 25. And he was like, man, I got my license, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, okay. Sure enough, we got behind him.
When I first pulled you guys over in Orfordville, did they say anything to you?
They just, we just sat in the car. And he pulled over. I was like, okay, everything's cool. He's showing you guys his license. I'm like, okay, he got his together, you know? Then when he came back, that's when he started acting like he didn't want to get out of the car.
Okay.
And I was like, what the f***? I don't know, I guess he made the decision to leave.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Did he say anything while he was running?
No. And he pulled off, and I was like, you need to let me out. And then he was telling us, like, the one in the back was like, go faster, or whatever. Okay. And I was like, your safety matters more than anything. I said, even if you're trying to get away from the police, I said, my life matters. If you don't care about yours, mine does. So slow the down, let me out or something. I just told them to stop the cars. I said, we're not running. We didn't do anything. Yeah. So we're going to stay here, and you guys do what you're going to do because this doesn't happen to me. Okay. And then I told them, I said, when you guys kept throwing the spikes, I kept telling them, like, you might as well just get out. Not like get out and run, but like stop the car. Yeah. You might as well get out. There's no point because the next step is going to be probably crashing, and I did not want to crash.
Did you say he was going to run on foot or anything when he stopped? Okay.
I just told him you might as well stop the car. Should have been stopped it. We were like yelling at him the whole time. Okay. But at the same time, I didn't want to like put too much pressure because I didn't want to die. So I like kind of was chill about it. Okay. And then my friend tried to stop the car because it was still going right here, and then we just got out and the lady pulled up and told us to get on the ground.
Okay. So they didn't really say anything while they were running. They were just booking it. Right. And then they obviously stopped the car here. That he didn't put it in drive or put it in park. So then
my friend behind me, Kia,
gotcha.
She put it in park.
Kiatra leaned over and threw it in park. Yeah. And then that's when they came up.
And then we just waited for the lady to come.
Okay. So you don't know these guys at all.
No.
Okay. Well, you had a hell of an experience.
Was sleeping, and did you see her sleeping?
I honestly just woke up. Honestly, I don't even get out the house.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was a hell of a night out for you.
This is my first time ever even being in a situation like
this.
My homie died from speeding super fast, so I was telling them, like, slow down, because, like, you're risking all of our lives.
No, absolutely. Yeah, it's super dangerous.
Yeah, and all 3 of us, we both have kids.
Right.
So, like, you know, and I...
Yeah. Well, maybe...
That's what we get for going...
Yeah, maybe... Next time we're not going to leave the bar with random dude. Yeah. All right, how about I'll take you out of cuffs. You're good to go.
Just so you know, he is on paper. He is past his curfew. So that's why.
Curfew?
So.
Wow, he's bold.
I got a kid to get home to. I don't even play like that.
And I think I have, unless it's in my pocket, I have some cash in the car.
Okay.
It'd be like $50, I think.
We'll have to figure the cash thing out here in a few minutes. I think your other friend's actually already calling for a ride. She's right over there.
Yeah, I just don't want to lose out on anything. I know a lot of stuff could be like evidence and whatnot, but I can tell you the exact amount.
Do you know where that $50 is at?
It's in either the glove department or on the floor.
Let's make some better choices with our friends.
Hey man, can I have your hat pot for me?
Alright. What could be close to the truck on?
Such a car phone, probably like an ounce.
Where's
underneath the driver's seat or the passenger seat?
Underneath the passenger seat.
And Creed was saying he couldn't get to it from the front. So it had to have been my guy.
I'm gonna charge you with wood then.
Back right?
Yeah. I haven't counted it, but it's
stack.
A stack.
Well, they said
There's 2 phones that I took and some money.
I've got phones, or I've got 1 phone.
Yeah, we'll take all 3 phones.
Well, I'm assuming they were going to pick something up because my chick said that they were going to get something. That's what the driver said.
Probably McDonald's.
Yeah.
They just passed it at 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, totally will.
What does the law say about when a stop can be extended, when refusal to exit becomes obstruction, and when a passenger becomes a defendant? Wren v. United States 1996. Probable cause for any traffic violation justifies the stop. Pennsylvania v. Mims 1977. Any officer may order the driver out during a lawful stop, no justification required. Rodriguez v. United States 2015. A stop may be extended when independent reasonable suspicion develops. Wiz. Admin. Code DOC 328. Kevin's supervised release required him home by 10 p.m. He was stopped at 1:02 a.m. Illinois v. Wardlow 2000. Unprovoked flight from law enforcement is a recognized factor supporting reasonable suspicion for continued investigation. Wiz. Stat. Section 346.04, Subdivision 3, Fleeing and Eluding. Base offense is a Class I felony. Aggravated to Class H when speed exceeds the posted limit by 25 miles per hour or more. At 103 miles per hour in a 25 miles per hour zone, Kevin exceeded the speed limit by 78 miles per hour with 4 passengers on board. Both statutory Class H aggravating factors triggered simultaneously. Wiz. Stat. Section 941.3 Subdivision 2 Class G felony. Section 939.24 defines criminal recklessness as conscious disregard of substantial risk of death or great bodily harm. Brower versus County of Inyo 1989. Spike strips are not a Fourth Amendment seizure. The driver retains directional control, making them legally distinct from a physical roadblock. Wiz. Stat. Section 946.41. Resisting or obstructing. A passenger who flees on foot after the vehicle stops creates a standalone offense entirely independent from the driver's conduct. Wiz. Stat. Section 960, 1.41, Subdivision 3G, possession of THC. A second or subsequent offense is a Class I felony, regardless of the amount recovered. Legal lesson. DOC conditions create simultaneous legal exposure layers. 1 traffic stop can trigger supervised release revocation, new felony charges, and sentence enhancement at the same time. 3 passengers stayed in the vehicle and walked free. 2 ran and received felony records. Was that outcome purely a matter of law, or did cooperation change what the evidence alone could not? 39.73 grams. 2 phones. $541. A destination no one in the car would name. What was Kevin driving toward at 103 miles per hour? And does the evidence answer that question or only raise more?